Hey everybody, it's Coach Stephanie. I want to tell you about the Fixate series of cookbooks. There are two. There is Fixate Volume 1 and Fixate Volume 2. These were created by Ellen Calabrese, who is the creator of the Portion Fix program and Ultimate Portion Fix, and she created them in collaboration with her brother, Bobby, who is a chef. There are so many great recipes in here. I use these cookbooks almost every week when I am planning my meals. There are a lot of family-friendly recipes in here, and I have probably made more meals out of these two cookbooks than I have any other cookbook in my library. One of the things that I just also love about these programs is they really taught me what healthy cooking can taste like. Healthy cooking typically has that stereotypical, oh, it's gonna be bland, it has to be like, you know, your chicken's gonna be white and you're just gonna eat plain broccoli. And that's just really not the case, right? Hopefully you've already learned that so far, but by adding a lot of seasonings, putting different things together, you can make fabulous, fulfilling, nutritious meals. The other thing these cookbooks do is that they do indicate what the different containers are. So if you're following Portion Fix, you can easily see what containers you're gonna meet for your meal, and it really makes it easy for meal planning. One of the other great things, if you are following Ultimate Portion Fix or you have that, in the program materials, there are PDF files or pages that go with each of the video. Online on teambeachbody.com, that's where you can order the cookbooks. There also is a workbook that goes along with all the videos. Now you can print them out, but the PDFs are like page by page per video, so it's a little bit of a tedious. And right now on teambeachbody.com, they have a combination where you can get the workbook and all two cookbooks at a nice reduced price. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment, and I will let you know what my favorite meals are from these cookbooks as well.